Today we're going to be installing our universal drop-in series system on this X15 Cummins right behind me. And like I said, this is a universal unit, meaning you can adapt this to basically anything with a diesel engine that you want to triple the life of your fuel injection system. Now this system is going to come with the mounting brackets and some fittings to adapt to your application. And be sure to keep your eyes peeled for engine-specific applications that we will be releasing. Now this unit is super simple to install and it utilizes the OEM lift pump. What our unit does, it removes the entrained air and air vapor, which increases the lubricity of your fuel by at least 10%. And on top of that, we're going to be filtering down to particulates to 2 microns absolute with our extended capacity microglass filter. Now again, this is the absolute easiest and most cost-effective way of tripling the life of your fuel injection system. Now if you have any questions at all regarding our universal drop-in series system, please don't hesitate to give our customer service team a call and locate more information on fastride.com.